Okay, let's do 4 at half notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 4 on each hand going at that speed. Here we go again. 5, 6, same thing, ready, go. Right, 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 right. Here's left, 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 left. Now we're going to do 8 on each hand, a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to speed that up. 8 on each hand. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to go faster and do 16. Here we go. 1, 2, right hand 16. 1, 5, 9, 13, 14, 15, 16. Here's the other hand. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 5, 9, 13. Ending up. Okay, let's do that again. 5, 6, right hand first. 1, 9, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We can be done at this point. That's a good hand warm-up to make sure you're getting great single strokes. Single strokes are the lifeblood. It's what we use as a percussionist.